Hallo, ek is Iti. Welkom by my kanaal waar ons als saam doen. In this video, we are going to look at the Afrikaans articles for the English a and an, and also the. In Afrikaans, these articles are a and die. So I'll explain the article a, and then I'll explain the article die. And then after that, I have compiled a list of fruit vocabulary with pronunciation for you guys. So if you want to learn fruit names in Afrikaans and how to pronounce them, then there's a clip for that. And then after that, I also wrote a little beginner short story about going to the fruit store in Afrikaans. So if you want to do a little bit beginner Afrikaans reading, then that's for you. All right, so let's get into Afrikaans articles. First up, we'll look at the Afrikaans article for a and an. In Afrikaans, we do not distinguish between a and an. We only have one article for both of those, which is a. A, as it is spelled top left, is pronounced identically to the letter A in the Afrikaans alphabet. So you'll see top right in the examples, A is pronounced exactly like the A in those words, which is insek, is, in, which aren't given there. Exactly the same pronunciation, just a completely different spelling. In the bottom left, there's an example, and I'm going to read it to you, and it's dit is 'n vrug. This is a fruit. Next up, we have the Afrikaans article for the English word the. In Afrikaans, it is die. And in the example, it is die vrug is 'n lemoen. The fruit is an orange. In the next clip, I will give you the vocabulary for fruit, and as many fruit as I could think of in Afrikaans, and I give the pronunciation for only the Afrikaans. And then after that, there is the clip of the very short story of an Afrikaans fruit store. And in that clip, you can do the reading by yourself. I read the Afrikaans. You can also do the reading without the sound. And then the English translation is given in that same clip just next to it. So it's a very short one-clip reading for Afrikaans beginners. Enjoy!
Vrugte woordeskat. Fruit vocabulary. Appel, peer, druiwe, lemoen, pynappel, suurlemoen, waatlemoen, arbei, perske, spanspek, appelkoos, piesang, grenadilla, kiwivrug, kokosneut, avokado, bessie, granaat, vy, pruim, neute, amandels, pekaneute, koejawel. Die vrugtewinkel. Ek en my ma is in die vrugtewinkel. Daar is baie soorte vrugte in die winkel. My ma sê ons moet meer vrugte eet, want dit is baie gesond. Die vrugte lyk mooi en vars. Ek moet 'n paar vrugte vir myself kies. Ek kies 'n appel, 'n piesang en 5 koejawels. Ons gaan 'n mandjie nodig hê, want my ma moet piesangs, pere en 'n waatlemoen koop. Dit is baie vrugte.
Dit bring ons dan aan die einde van hierdie Afrikaans video. Like, share en subscribe groot asseblief vir nog Afrikaanse video's. Daar volg binnekort nog 'n hele paar Afrikaanse video's. Baie mooi dag vir julle. Totsiens.